Want to learn how to find the universe ID of any Roblox game on your PC or laptop? This is crucial if you're working with scripts, data stores, game passes, or external tools that need universe-level access. In this video, I'll show you a simple way to get the universe ID for any game on Roblox. Let's dive right in. So first, go to roblox.com. Now open the game that you want to know the universe ID. Once the game's open, right-click on the blank area and tap on View Page Source. This will open up the page source for that game. Press Ctrl F on your keyboard. Now type Universe ID and hit Enter. It'll highlight the Universe ID. Now you can copy this Universe ID and use it as you need. That's a quick guide on how to find and copy your Universe ID. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.